Did you know that over 2.7 million landlords in the UK own buy-to-let properties, making it one of the most popular forms of investment in the country? But like any investment, success in buy-to-let requires careful planning and strategy. Today at UpperKey, we're going to cover 5 essential tips for investors looking to enter the buy-to-let market. Location is everything. Always invest in areas with high rental demand, good transport links and nearby amenities. Research the local rental market to ensure there's demand for the type of property you're planning to buy. Understand your finances. Calculate potential rental yields, mortgage payments and running costs before purchasing a property. Experts suggest aiming for a rental yield of at least 5% to make your investment worthwhile. Know your target tenant. Whether it's students, young professionals or families, understanding who your tenants are will help you choose the right property and location. Different tenants have different needs, so align your investment with their expectations. Consider property management. Managing a buy-to-let property can be time-consuming, especially when dealing with repairs, maintenance or tenant issues. A property management service can take care of this for you, saving you time and hassle. Lastly, stay updated on regulations. Landlord laws and regulations can change frequently, affecting everything from tenancy agreements to energy efficiency standards. Make sure you're compliant to avoid fines and legal issues. And if you want a truly stress-free investment, consider UpperKey. UpperKey offers complete property management services, including guaranteed rent, so you can focus on growing your portfolio while we handle the rest. For more tips and insights, check out our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below.